Hi guys, today we're going to try out some products that I've received from brands recently and I'm really excited to show them to you. Starting off with the first box, it's from TIRTIR. They sent me some skincare and cushions to try out. I already know that the cushions are not going to match my shade, but we're going to try them anyways. Okay, this is a tinted primer. And this one is a serum. Maybe I could try both. I don't know if we should mix them together. I think I'll try both and see how it works. The thing about trying skincare for the first time is you don't know how it'll react with other skincare products, even makeup products in general. I'm also wearing these contacts from Olens. This is their SOS serum and it's supposed to have a moisturizing effect, which I do feel. I don't know if you would consider this a skincare product or a makeup product, but it says here in the directions at the last step of skincare or prior to makeup, so I'm assuming it's both. Ooh, that is light. Okay, I'm kind of afraid to try this out. Okay. Looking at the camera, I'm starting to look really white on my face. I mean, I really like the brightening effect, but it just looked really light. Maybe I should just let it sit. I really like the smell though. Also guys, since I've been going out a lot, I've noticed that this hand is way more tanner than this hand because I drive and the sun is hitting right here. I should probably get those driving gloves. They sent me two different versions of their cushion. I'll try this one. I think I'll just swatch this and then put on regular foundation because I don't want to look like a ghost. I don't know if it just matches because I put on the primer. I like how I'm blending as if it will help, but it's not really doing much. I do like the coverage though. It just doesn't match my complexion. We're gonna remove it. I'm just waiting until it's winter and it's time to hibernate and then I don't go out and I just stay home. So I'm gonna apply the serum again. I love how smoothly it applies to my skin. I got sent a package from Flower Nose and I'm going to do a future video using all their products. But right now, I really want to use their mirror. Isn't it so pretty? That is so pretty. Next, we're going to try CLIO. I've used some of their products in a recent video. I think it was my daily autumn makeup. I want to try their blush. I wasn't able to try this last time. They also sent this collection. I don't know if it's for Halloween or their anniversary. That's what it says in the box. Got another cushion and this time it's in shade 3BY. They also sent me their pencil liner and the Kill Lash mascara, which I love. I have it right here with me. This one's the original one and I think this one is in a different packaging. It's just in a different packaging, but it's the same product. Out of the three palettes, I think I'm gonna use this one. I really like neutrals, so I'm gonna stick with this. I also got sent these eyeshadow brushes from ColourPop. They're not K-Beauty, but thank you, ColourPop. I don't know what look I'm going for, but we're just gonna try it out and see what happens. Time to use my mirror. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love Flower Nose. They just have the best packaging. Should we swatch the shadows? Is that even a question? Of course we should. I don't know if you can see it. They're a bit faint. I'm gonna go back to this. I'm gonna think about it. I know Flower Nose is not a Korean makeup brand. They're actually a Chinese makeup brand. I just really want to try these eyeliners that they sent me. I think I'm gonna go for the brown liner. I haven't used brown eyeliner in a while. Maybe we'll just go for a natural look. I really like the felt tip. It's really small but easy to get a defined wing. I also got double eyelid tape. I've never used double eyelid tape before, but I really want to try it out, especially on this eye because it's more folded. Maybe another time. I'm just gonna create an egg yolk. I've been eyeing this rose gold shade, so maybe I should just try this one. I also got this package from Lazy and they also came with shimmers and eyeshadows and new blushes. They sent me some glitter powders to try out. Maybe I'll just tap some glitter right here. Ooh, that looks really nice. I spilled glitter on my bed. Great. I think the powder will come out better if I just wet my brush with some setting spray. Okay, yeah, that's way more better. I should have done that the first time. I'm just focusing the glitter from the inner corners to the middle of my eye. That's enough glitter for today before I make a whole mess again. I recently cut my bangs and it's been since last December since I cut them. I told myself this year to grow it out, which I did, but lately my hair has been looking a little flat. I was in need of some volume. The thing with bangs is I think anyone can look good in them. It just depends on what style you're getting. I just got see-through bangs since they're always the safest and you could just like hide them with the rest of your hair. I cut them myself and I was gonna film a whole tutorial, but I just needed full concentration, making sure I wouldn't cut too much. I want to say my face shape is round, but a friend of mine said it looks more oval, so I don't know. I feel like my face shape looks better without bangs, but I'm just a rebel. I'm kidding. I would say the difficult thing about getting bangs is not knowing how to style them, especially on camera. Sometimes it just doesn't look nice. Can you tell that I've been using this product a lot? I usually skip bronzer and just use contour because this just gives a more natural look. I don't really contour my nose perfectly, I just brush it and call it a day. Now I'm going to try this blush from CLIO. It's their 04 Peach Crunch. Now I see why they call it air blur, because it blurs perfectly into the skin. I'm going to apply some on my nose, just a little bit. This isn't K-Beauty, but YSL sent me some of their lipsticks and I want to try it out. Look how pretty that is. Baby pinks don't really apply well on my lips, but I really like the formula. I've seen so many creators receive this package and I didn't know if I was gonna receive one, but this came in the mail yesterday and I just knew it was it, and it was. Daisy sent me their lip stain collection. There's just so many to choose from. I don't even know where to start. There's so many to choose from, and I would swatch all of them, but that would just take an eternity. I'm actually surprised this doesn't make my lips feel dry compared to other lip tints I've tried. This is definitely not my shade, so we're gonna try something else. I'm gonna try number 12 in Cocoa Camel. I like that way better. I'm gonna try to slightly overline my lips, just using the tint. These two from their Juicy Dewy tint. This one's definitely pink. The Juicy Dewy lip tints definitely stain my hand, but I think that's a good thing, meaning it'll stay on your lips longer. That is bright. Just gonna blend it. And this is the finished makeup look. My favorite products that I tried today were one, this CLIO Neutral Eye Palette. I've been meaning to find a palette just like this one, and it's perfect for just everyday wear. I also like the TIRTIR SOS serum. It felt really nice on my skin when I applied it. I've never tried a blush like this one. I love how it just blurs into my skin. If you're a blush lover like me, I definitely recommend trying this product. These lip tints were what I was really anticipating for, and now that I've tried it on, at first I didn't know if I would like it or not, but it's kind of growing on me. I like how well it sits on the lips and it doesn't make my lips feel dry at all for someone who has really dry lips. But I think we all know my favorite out of everything that I've received is this mirror. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Mwah.